Sorry, I just had to use that intro again. Alright boys, we got one goal and one goal only for today. I'm still sick, by the way, sorry. Get free jewelry off this stupid website and try to sell it for more. Back in action. Oh, my shirt's inside out. God damn it. I was really having a fun time acting like a boss there. First off, man, please thumbs up, comment down below if you guys can. We got a free gold chain here. If we got 500 thumbs up within the day, just comment thumbs up. My Instagram's right here. Let me know when you did it. I'm still reaching out to that person that got the last chain to send me the picture again because I can't find him through my DMs. Some idiot yesterday on my last video said like, oh, your giveaway's fake. We never see a picture. I have the pictures coming, douche. Anyway, if you want to call me out on that, that's fine. Pictures are coming. Sorry, but that guy pissed me off. Maybe you'd call him a liar. I think that's it, man. You know, I do these giveaways and I don't think I have to freaking prove myself, but if you want me to, I will. Anyway, on to the video. Thumbs up though. Sorry for my attitude right off the bat, man. I'm sick and I'm sweating and I feel awful. Alright bro, so really no explanation with this video needed except for the fact that y'all have seen a lot of Instagram ads, I'm sure. I saw an Instagram ad. This Instagram ad had free jewelry, which a lot of people do, me too. NameBran fam, link is down below, but you have to pay shipping. It's weird, I do the same thing. NameBran fam, link is down below. This is actually not from my website. Can guarantee I'm not giving you real jewelry on my website and they are here. Spoiler alert. Anyway, they're doing free jewelry with shipping. We've gotten a lot of things from these websites before, but the thing with this one is it's real silver jewelry that they had on there. So I had an idea, if we're gonna do this video, I'll buy it. I think it was $25 shipping, around there. I'm pretty bad with my math and memory. 25 bucks for the silver. So I bought, I think, 3 pieces. We're gonna unbox it, then we're gonna weigh the silver and see if we can sell it for more than $23 and get a leg up on these guys. And you might be being like, why would they sell at a loss? My thought is like, maybe they buy in absolute bulk so they can afford to sell this silver cheaper. You know what I mean? And that's why they're doing it free with shipping. So maybe we can make like 10 bucks off an order. We'll storm their website, clear them out, we'll all make bank together. That was my plan. I thought that'd be fun. Just weighing out the silver and trying to make money off these Alright, so I don't have really high hopes of this jewelry. It all looked kind of crappy on the website, but what I did get, mainly for because it's like really popular right now, I got their Squid Game jewelry. I haven't seen it anywhere online. They're selling Squid Game jewelry that's real silver, and I haven't watched the show. I refuse to watch it. I actually don't watch TV. I think it's a waste of time. I'd rather plan videos, film, or do NFTs. If you guys do NFTs, you should hit me up. I want to talk about them. Making like some bank so far, boys. People said I wouldn't make it. You know what I mean? Like, Bran, you're too dumb, my teacher said. You might be physically challenged and mentally. And I said, well, one day I'm gonna make it. Money. Didn't believe it till now. So anyway, the NFTs are cool. Alright, just open it up. Let's get into it. Small little bag. One bag. They forgot all my shit. I just checked and I bought 3. Oh, they're all in here. I'm getting hot in this room. We're going to the frickin' living room, man. I'm so... Oh, my throat hurts now after yelling. I'm so frickin' hot. This room steams up like a sauna. Or maybe it's just because I got 5 or 10 women right there, right behind the camera. See you later, girls. Just stinking up the room with their heat. It will just vlog today. I actually don't really care how this looks. It looks really crappy, to be honest. I'm just taking a little spoiler right now. Oh dear lord. Ugh. Well, let's hope it costs some money in silver. So let me know if you've seen the Squid Game. We just did a Squid Game video a little while ago. My table was a mess. My god. Okay, so oh, I don't know if we're gonna make money off this. Hold your nutsack, boys. It might be, depending on the size of what you're packing, it might be 1/10 of the amount it feels in silver. 1/50th maybe. Okay, we're not dealing with much here, boys. Sorry that we gotta check. Oh man, I'm hopped up on cough medicine right now. Not bad, not in a bad way, but I just took a lot of cough medicine. I feel really loopy. But only the prescribed amount, just that little shot of it. I didn't know it gets y'all like kind of woozy. Honestly, I kind of feel like puking right now. Alright, let's show this jewelry. The main part though is seeing if we can get our money back and more. One thing I'm gonna announce right now, I thought I was gonna get a 1-up on this company. We still might with the amount of silver. I don't know if we're gonna get it there, so if we don't make our money back on this, I'm gonna eat this whole egg with the shell. I eat raw eggs, but I don't eat the shell ever. So that's what we're gonna do as a punishment for me for being an idiot, thinking that we might be able to get it. So I've already looked at this, I'm sorry. Oh, you have to be kidding me. Oh, the bag was like half of the weight of it. We've got the ball chain here. You guys have seen this is ridiculous. The audacity to sell this. It's a Squid Game. If you guys know the Squid Game, it's a show where they've got the stupid symbols on their head. The stupid symbol of this one being a square. Although you hang it like this, yeah, see, it's just gonna be a diamond. I think they had some thicker rings. I should have just got those. I'm just trying to go with the times right now. We got the circle. Oh, so sick. We got a circle for around your neck, so now you look like an absolute dick. Wait, yeah, actually, it does kind of look cool. Actually, for selling it, we don't need an attack, boys. I actually got a place down the street that my girlfriend will have to go sell this to because I'm banned from it. We did too many pranks there, trying to sell them fake things. They don't like me anymore. So we got that. It's a lot of silver. Last one, obviously. Damn triangle. What a stupid drop. That's not the point of the video, boys. Now what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna weigh this to see how much silver we got. Quick angle change again. This seems to be the coldest spot of the house. I feel like I got meat sweats, but I'm just sick. So boys, we're gonna start this up right here. The one machine that we only weigh good things on, obviously. And then we're gonna put the silver on. Then I got a silver calculator that we're gonna see how much money we got from it. Let's freaking hope, man. I don't know, man. I bought this and I'm like 90% sure I feel like that we could probably at least make a buck from them. No, it doesn't seem too good. Okay, so. It's so light, it's not even counting. Oh, it's because we have it in. Okay. Oh, God. 0.015 kilograms. We're gonna now put that up to the thing. Oh, f I broke the damn egg, boys. Which really sucks, because now I only have like 2 for dinner tonight, because I feel like I'm gonna have to eat one at the end of this video, because I don't think we're making our damn money back. Alright boys, so we're on the calculator here. It doesn't actually say that it's silver on here, but I don't even know where the hell you would stamp this silver thing. It said it online though, and it's not that much silver. I think it probably is. So we're gonna put in, what was it, 0.015 kilograms, boys. We're gonna see what that turns out to with the weight of it. Sorry if this video is kind of all over the place and a little, it's not even rushed, but just all over the place. My girlfriend's a nurse and she says I should not even be out of bed today, but we're still grinding for the boys, bro, and I wish I had never said that in my life. Okay, select purity. I hate the word grind. If you're saying you're grinding, I think you're a loser. Don't tell me you're grinding. Just grind without telling me it. Oh yeah, but I'm a grind a lot, bro. I don't care. Anyway, silver purity, 92. Okay, so this is, before we hit enter, I don't know if you can see anything. I did it right. 0.015. I got the damn egg right here, boys. I really don't want to eat the shell. I do like raw eggs. I do eat them quite a bit. Relation total, $10.64. So I lost 10 bucks. Well, okay, so I'm only $15 under. Here's the egg. God damn it! I actually swear to God, it looked a little bit bigger in the picture. We were that close. If it was twice as thick, we almost would have made our money back. And if it actually looked like it did on their website, we probably could have made fit. Frick it. I'm just trying to, okay. It's a shell, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. I should have just swapped this out with a mini egg, spray painting the mini egg white and been like, this is so bad. Appreciate y'all for watching, working the game. I thought we'd get a one-up on these guys, but we didn't. Buy. And awful jewelry, by the way. Don't buy from this website. There won't even be a link. Stupid. We didn't even focus on the fact that the jewelry's a ripoff. It looks awful. And the freaking square looks like a diamond. What if I'm a massive fan of Squid Game and I just want a damn square around my neck because that's my favorite character's freaking shape? I can't, because it's a diamond. Alright, bye.